Wola Njayami, Kamba Ganjan. Hey, I'm back once again. Sbo Myaka KZN from KZN, of course. Yeah. Hey, this playback young Pazamis here. But let me just continue. Hey, it's been a while, ne? Yeah, you know, life of being on producer, ne? Uh, Jiggy. Key weekend, yeah, before. Oh, something else happened. That's if I really, you know, hey, Jiggy, your bandicam is not working. We have to download. Ah, life is hard, this hard, ne? But let's break down this beat. At least two people requested that I do, um, I, what can I say? It's a breakdown or a tutorial of this beat I once played. So I have my shakers here. Yeah, first of all, it was the shaker. Then I went on to create the drum line or the percussion. You know, you understand. Okay. So my percussion went like this. At first, it was the kick, 4-step kick, nothing more, nothing less, and that is my pattern 3. I want pattern 1. Yeah, this is my pattern 1. Okay, I love this drum line. It's so consistent and yo, I love it a lot. Yeah, that's my drum line or percussion. You can dance to this. There is a rhythm in here. There is a rhythm in here. Yo, I can feel the song already. Eh? Okay, so the drum. Oh, it's the kick and the shakers. Nothing much. Just the 4-step kick and the shaker. Okay, this is where I'll be introducing some sounds. Okay. Okay. I forgot to close the vocals, to mute them. You know, your musical language sometimes. Okay, now it's the shakers, the kick, and the drum line or the percussion. Yeah. All right. And then my pattern 2 is the open heads. I think is open heads uh, sound like this. Yeah, it's simple, just like that. Then I introduced a third party uh, plugin, Policy. It is the free plugin from Cork. Yes, you can download it. You can find it. Then on this plugin, I went for VCF oscillation, oscillation, VCF of VCF oscillation. Yo, they play back there on my ears. Jesus. Okay. And these are my chords. I applied the strum effects manually, but if you want what is called FL Studio effect, you can just press Alt plus S, of course. I love these chords. Simple, not vibey, not groovy. So they enable the vocalist to flex. Well, tired of these vocalists who are not singing. They use beats that are already fire, if you know what I mean. So all in all, they sound like this. Sound that I just introduced is from Purity under GM Normal. It's the Echo Drops number 102. Alright, sounding like this. It's the most popular sound by the way. Alright, Shabadi, let's continue. And then I introduced this sound. It's the bread from Citrus. From the pads. And it was somehow inspired by Kelvin Momo. I was listening to his projects and I found a sound similar to this song. Alright. quite simple. Uh, Let me introduce the log drum bass line. I don't know how you call it, but yeah. I made a simple thing like this. Simple 8 bars, and then I made another 8 bars sounding like this. Alright. I introduced electric piano, of which is a stock electric piano. From here, on the pegs, instruments, keyboard, then electric. This electric keyboard sounds like this. I'm not good at playing keys, but I made something like this. Alright. Uh, let's play together on these parts here. Okay, I think I've shown you guys everything. Now I think it's safe to leave. Please continue commenting on this video on the comment section about anything, or maybe helping or advising, motivating, or if you need maybe presents, anything. I'd be happy to help or to be helped. Yo, guys, yeah. Thank you. I'm out.